So in this lecture I try to share with you some information about types of pipe. If you are considered as a metal, then we can say metallic pipe and non-metallic pipe. আপনি যদি মেটাল কনসিডার করেন তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি metallic pipe and not metallic pipe. Then standard metal pipe. So if you see the standard metal pipe, then we see that there are two different types of standard metal pipe. One is welded pipe, seam pipe, one is seamless pipe. So pipe basically আমরা হয়ে থাকে welded হয়ে থাকে, welded type হয়ে থাকে, seamless pipe হয়ে থাকে. So let's see what is the welded pipe. So actually welded pipe is first cold formed into a cylindrical shape and then welded longitudinally. Then you can see from these photos, this pipe is longitudinally is welded. That means this pipe firstly was the same as the plate, then this is the form make the cylindrical shape, then welded is longitudinally. Actually this welding done by the SAW process or ERW. So for this welding process I will discuss another lecture. You can see the beside one more photos. So you see inside the pipe is welded. So this type of pipe is a welded pipe. Then we see the what is the seamless pipe. So seamless pipe is formed by forcing molten metal through a round die with a plug in the center to form a long tube of continuous metal, which is then cut into appropriate length. There is no any weld joint. So welded pipe, seamless pipe মূলত একটা শেপের মধ্যে দিয়ে রাউন্ড রেখে শেপের মধ্যে দিয়ে লম্বা পাইপ তৈরি করা হয়, তারপর এটাকে সুবিধাজনক লেন্থ অনুযায়ী কাটা হয়, and in between pipe don't have any welding joint. So you can see from photos they don't have any welding joint. So metallic pipe, I will try to share with you some information here regarding the metallic pipe. So HDPE is commonly used in oil and gas, shipping industries and power plant or other area. So commonly used some pipe, metallic pipe I will show you in this lecture. So first I start from carbon steel pipe. Where is the short form is the CS. So commonly used grade STM A106 grade B, STM A53 grade B and APX52. So you can see from photos in pipe body the writing have STM 106 A53 grade B. Then the next photos you can see here writing API 5L PSL X52. So if you see this type of writing in the body of pipe, then you will be able to understand this is the carbon steel pipe. So then we see the number 2 is the stainless steel pipe. So stainless steel commonly use STM A312 TP306L and STM 312 TP316L. So this is I actually highlight here only the commonly used pipe. If you visit the STM, then you can see so many grades available. So typically I show some example is here only for your understanding. So you see the photo same as the STM A312 pipe 304L. So same as the before photos, the carbon steel, this is the same. So if you see this type of marking, you will be able to understand this is the stainless steel pipe. Then beside photos also same. Then you go for the next, the duplex stainless steel pipe. Short form is DSS. So you see the DSS commonly use STM A790 2205 UNS S31803. So you see the photos, the writing have S31803. If you see that this type of writing and STM 789, so you will able to understand this is the DSS pipe. So number 4 is the super duplex stainless steel pipe. So short form is SDSS. So commonly use STM A789, then 2507 UNS S32750, UNS S32760, etc. So you can see the photos is the same as before. The writing have UNS S32760. So metallic pipe, another pipe is the copper nickel. We are commonly used in our industries, and very large number of pipe is used for the copper nickel. So commonly used, this one actually follow the specification EEMUA, Engineering Equipment and Material Users Association UK. So grade, normally we use commonly Copernicus CuNi 9010, UNSC 70600, UNSC 706TX, CuNi 10 Fe1 Mn. So this is the normal commonly used grade. You can get the so many grade if you visit the EEMUA standard or specification. Then we see these pipe photos. You can see the here writing C7060X. So this is the actually for the Copernical identification. So you can check here and you can identify this is the Copernical pipe, and you can see the specification EEMUA. So these things where you get, you will be able to understand this is the Copernical pipe. Then we go to the titanium. The another metallic pipe is the titanium pipe. So titanium commonly use STMB861, STMB862, grade 12, grade 5, etc. So this is the typical example only. So you can get so many grades in STM. So these photos also I attach for you to easy to understand. You see the STMB861 titanium grade shell. So this is the typical example only. Then next we come to the non-metallic pipe. So for non-metallic pipe I will show you some photos and what is the non-metallic pipe we use. So for non-metallic pipe I actually prepare very simple. If if all people requested me to prepare the non-metallic pipe details, then I will prepare one more lecture for only for non-metallic pipe. So let's see what have the in non-metallic piping. So commonly used in oil and gas and shipbuilding industries, GRE. So you all know, whoever is this sector, you all people are very familiar with this word, GRE, glass reinforced epoxy pipe. So you see how look like is this pipe. So you see the photos. This is the look like is GRE, and GRE pipe is look like this type. And so many you see here is the color is black, but it can be the different color. But so this is the look. This is the GRE. The number 2, you can see the HDPE, high density polyethylene. So this is the look like this. So this type of pipe, when you see the wherever I see this type pipe, you can see this type of marking and this type of material actually. So this is the HDPE pipe. Maybe it can be the different marking also, but the number 3, you can see the photos GRP, so glass fiber reinforced plastic pipe. So look like you see the photos. This also look like the GRE, but this is the GRP pipe, glass fiber reinforced plastic. The number 4, you can see the PVC pipe, polyvinyl chloride. So for this word PVC, we are very familiar because we are use this pipe in our house also. So see the how it look like this pipe. So this is the PVC pipe. Then you go to the CPVC pipe, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. So this look like same the PVC pipe, CPVC.